Okay, so you want to say anything about CC and Nathan?
Yeah, man, big up CC and Nathan, man. My name is Kumbaba. So, yeah, in between Dan and Tay. Yeah. So, I'm big up on, yeah?
Alright, cool. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Guys, I don't know, say it's a girl CC, and today we're there with the first promotion. Guys, what I want to do for we is go over to TG and Shan, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, show them the full support, please. Me I beg you. Make them know say CC and Nathan today. Them I try hard, and me ask you please, we just go over there and make them know say CC and Nathan today. Support them, guys. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CC, and today we're back with our next vlog. So guys, today we're on our way to King and Shay. The we are got King and Shay. So before you get into this, like, share, comment, and subscribe. So you know, so that is a long walk, guys. And the sun hot, and Nathan has stressed me, and just see me, kill me off. Just buy one juice to me drink. For me drink.
Yeah, guys, so I'll go on, guys. Let me this. Yeah, guys, so what's up? You can see, so we're out here in the morning. A vlog. We are go to King and Shay's house, guys. Yeah. Nice, Mish. I cool can nice, virgin. I cool can book when stress. Why I cool insipid and taste bad. Nice one. I cool stain on people throat and taste bad. Yeah, people see it. We are go over. This bridge is called the Bridge of Cousin. Jesus Christ, guys, no look here. No, sir. Guys, I forgot to do me now show on this. They could put them a fridge in the river. I float there instead of them floating up people. Why? I mean, no one they look up me nowadays. Only in Jamaica. You see them thing. Look here, guys, up this. Watch them pitney there. Them dangerous, you know, guys. Fix your bag strap. Stop biting the car. There is a way to the car.
So yes, guys, the sun is hot, but you know, say we still have to try the journey. Yeah, we don't have no problem with that, but the only problem we have is just the sun. Everybody knows that the sun bad, it's dangerous.
Yeah, so where you do the car?
I have it.
Thank you, guys,
thank
for
you
the support.
Yeah.
I mean.
And guys, we are on our way to level K already. And last night reached 10K, guys. Can you imagine that? We really appreciate every support yesterday evening. Yeah.
Road to 15K, guys. So just
That's the
share
aim.
it out, guys. Please.
Yeah.
Share our channel, please, guys. That now just share. One click, press share. WhatsApp status. Please subscribe to this couple.
Yeah.
Done. We're not begging enough to go share it individually because that's a whole heap of work.
And there are a lot of people asking us for shout out, guys.
Guys, we have something for you.
We have something for you guys. It's not like we don't want to give you a shout out, but you have to understand, guys. So we just start and like reach now we're gonna act like we're big. But there are people asking for promotions to have them to deal with. We're not gonna get in a shout out. Only people ask.
We are going to just make in our different next video we talk about it. Yeah.
So just try the journey with us, guys.
Yeah.
So we reached the taxi.
Yeah, we stop here. So cool, man.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Cool and nice. So guys, see it here. Reaching our scheme. As you can see. Be a bush over there, so where we come from. Scheme there. Yeah guys, the people in house and
Drink it off.
CC asked if you drink all the juice, guys.
But if you drink some, I left some in the box and I give you. How much you want to drink it off? How players?
Yeah. You're not giving no more. Don't drink it off. Why?
Can I give him this? This one.
Look at CC though. All them soap me, look here.
Hey people, you know say police
No,
if you do
dirty up
something
Jamaica.
if police if you do something people do
A problem.
So you have to pay.
5 million. So guys, we're gonna pause it. When we reach nearer, we start it back.
When we reach the car guys, we start back.
Yeah guys, when we reach,
Vlogging.
when we are gonna take a taxi.
Later back in two people.
When we are gonna take a taxi, I think we are gonna start it back from this or in
Yeah.
the taxi.
Well, alright, when we are going to take the taxi, we are going to start it back. We're not going to limit it on the taxi to start it.
Yeah guys, alright, so yeah guys,
So
I know
stay
it go.
tuned for the next part, guys.
Yeah, out.
Love you all.
Yeah guys, so see there.
We reach.
Me know this and
Yeah, we
me
reach.
know this.
Be weird. Make sure you look up and down before you cross the road. Make sure you look up and down before you cross the road.
Alright, up and down.
Me no mean that way there.
Yeah,
Yeah, idiot, you no see car.
don't look up and down.
Yeah, if you just go cross and then you can stop rub with me.
Don't go up here. Guys, them.
Come on, tie rub in there. Them a move, so.
Yeah, man, they drive reckless.
So yes guys, we wait for our taxi to go home and such. We take it also. The sun, boy, I mean I tell us every time we come out just have to take taxi, the sun just have why you go on with this? Why you deal with this so? I'm just a sweat so oh. I'm just a chat so no.
Too much chatting is good for the car.
Yeah.
You have to chat too much for the car. Them time I taxi had to look.
Not really. Like I want taxi this eh?
No. Back.
Fuck that you. You tax them bad. Give them. You're boring. Come with it, come video me. Come, yeah, come.
Come over there.
No, you do it,
You
you
say
do
me
it.
fi
Come now,
video.
tattoo, come now. Ready? Tattoo.
You want
Let me
taxi, eh?
Alright, I want taxi this. Alright. So guys, we just get one taxi. So I go in there. So two of we are got back because no, should I go front, you know? I left you back.
Yeah, go on front.
That me should I do.
No, I police in the hospital again, they move. Hey, no, you don't do this again, baby. Sorry if you call her.
No, man, that
Okay. What you mean do? See, it's one to go and do some?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See there, the taxi man nearly drive left far.
Because of you.
Because she clumsy, guys. Clumsy.
By 5:30, from the yard. But it's time cool.
Yeah.
But if you walk in the sun, you don't have energy.
Yeah, that because you're drained.
Yeah, you have energy, man.
So
So
see
I'm
there,
going
guys.
to roll over this far up.
Yeah.
Roll over far up. But you walk up, yeah? But in the sun, no, man.
So, I'm man the camera here, come here. We are on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
The team going to lead sometime, but I'll just leave it fun. But you know, we sign up.
Yeah, we sign up. A day before yesterday, we get through with flow.
Yeah. But you have to have enough subscribers and defense and to make money and so like that.
We reached 10,000, basically 11,000.
Yes,
Man. Who view your subscriber?
Subscriber. See, tell people how it feels to be
So
giant.
guys, we are booming dry because we have no fare to pay.
Stop that there.
I
Let
told
me
me
let you
I
off right
So,
walk.
phone channel name?
Life of CC and Nathan.
Life of?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. And King and Shay put you around, you see.
Yeah. You know them?
Huh?
You know King and Shay? You don't know the big YouTuber King and
No,
Shay?
like Mr. Between, so I'm not telling now.
Yeah.
I think following or something there. So I'm tell them tell him I know if
Yes.
Yeah. I make them show you King and Shay.
Yeah. For PUBG, they know every daddy night and whosoever.
Aye.
Or I'm saying I got school and school closed.
So guys, you can see, you know, taxi way there.
Yeah.
Here we are going to the house and all, guys.
Nathan, $100 loan me see now, and I
And
have to pay my
$200,
fare.
just see how it is, $200.
$100 me fine.
You are my fear.
Yeah, I'm my fear, so if anything, are you in a trouble because me have my $100.
Yeah, go see. Yeah.
Army to cross.
I don't think they will take down them tell me about now. Election not done.
They don't keep on some people, some of them with them have up the same way to them, you know. So my opinion, they want to take them,
Yeah, but the losers, them should have excuse them things, them, because they lose. Yeah, so we almost reach here now.
yes, so we are almost to Charlie. So, guys, as y'all can see, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so you want to say anything about CC and Nathan?
Yeah, man, big up CC and Nathan, man. My name is Kumbaba. So, yeah, in between Dan and Tay. So,
Yeah.
I'm big up on, yeah? Alright, cool.
Okay. Thank
Respect.
you.
Okay, yeah, man.
Yeah. So, guys, we reach now.
Yeah.
So we are walking over the house
Walk, go
now.
over there. Yeah, they know, guys.
Guys,
Yeah, they.
right now we the shiny so we used to have now, it kind of get out of it right now. Okay, you know what I'm
Well,
saying?
you used to
a
have
serious time, you
The
know.
shiny, so you.
Normally,
used
me
to
not
have-
ask taxi driver about them something like that, but it's like one man just said, "Do you want to pick up his anything?"
You don't have to tell
Stop
the guys
it.
them, man. I'm stinging with the curfew.
Those still me, cause you know something. You there? Nathan, mash up my life. You mash up my life. Seem there. You mash up my life. Guys, you mash up my life.
And we are.
So we are actually here now, guys. Yeah. Alright now.
Stop pushing me, you.
So we are here and Officer
Okay.
Lockchat is calling Mr.
Officer
King.
Lockchat is here.
Officer Lockchat is calling Mr. King. So you guys will see Mr. King. Okay. He is here. There is Mr. King, guys. There.
Yeah.
So
This
he,
a vlog, you see?
yeah. So we are going inside to tell everybody good morning, now, guys.
Yeah.
So we reach and you feel cool and stuff. Yeah.
I'm not going inside.
So, can I come? Nobody is inside. I think I know. I wish for Shay there. Oh, she there. Alright. When she come in. So yes, guys, we are finally here. You know, say now. We are going to do now circle
Yes, guys, we made it to the end
of our vlog. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, guys. So, you know, so
Kinda dark.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on